right, so this is a dog life jacket. It's supposed to be like a shark, I believe. Either way, we got the pink one just to be funny for our dog Zeppelin. And special thanks to this company for sending out the product to me to, I would say unbox, but I guess unbag for you guys and gals. So let's unzip it. All right, so these clip on each side. Okay. And this part Velcros around the dog. So this is on the top of the dog. Okay. I'm not entirely certain how this goes on, but I'm certain we can probably get our dog to cooperate and put it on to show you guys. So let's take this out. And see if we can get Zappy to actually wear it. Well, I'm surprised he did that part so well.
And being so loose. It's on. Let me tighten it in.
Now you can go swimming, Zappy.
He's worn out the care.
I was about to say, I think he's still just out of breath from the RC
I have
car.
it loose. You can pick him up like that.
Yeah. So there we go. There's the pink shark dog life vest on our little 30 to 35 pound Beagle Zeppelin. He was chasing the RC car, and he's pretty tired now. So I think that's why he didn't care that this was on him, because normally he doesn't like stuff on him. But there we go. That's what it looks like. Little handle to grab him. Looks like a spot to put a leash as well there, right on top.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's where you can put a leash. So very nice. Do you like it, Zappy? We'll take that as a yeah.
He's not fighting it.
There we go. Very nice. This is...
Bye.